Let's read and learn. Morning routine. I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. I make my bed before breakfast. I make my bed before breakfast. I brush my teeth well. I brush my teeth well. I take a bath before school. I take a bath before school. I wear my clean school uniform. I wear my clean school uniform. I comb my hair neatly. I comb my hair neatly. I put on my socks and shoes. I put on my socks and shoes. I pack my books on my bag. I pack my books on my bag. I bring my pencils and crayons. I bring my pencils and crayons. I eat a healthy breakfast. I eat a healthy breakfast. I drink a glass of milk. I drink a glass of milk. I say goodbye to my family. I say goodbye to my family. I walk carefully to school. I walk carefully to school. I greet my teacher with a smile. I greet my teacher with a smile. I am ready to learn new things. I am ready to learn new things. I have a happy day at school. I have a happy day at school. Thank you for listening. See you on our next lesson.